nta muhamagaro uruta uwundi.
There is no greater or lesser calling.
Ukubura mu nzu y'Imana,
If you sweep the floor in the house of the Lord,
ubwiriza,
if you preach on the stage,
uwicaza abantu,
those who usher, who
uhagurutsa
people,
ibimuga,
those who perform miracles,
bose imbere y'Imana ni kimwe.
they are all equal before God.
Urimo utwara abantu kwa muganga hanze,
The driver who takes people at the hospital,
ugakura abantu mu mvura ukabaha ride,
or those who assist people in the rain,
ugakora mu kigo tukabona amazi tukanywa,
or you work in the water companies,
uwo nawe ni umuhamagaro.
that is also a calling.
Ariko aho dutandukaniye,
The difference is this.
ese kariya kazi urimo ukora hariya kuravuga Yesu?
You have to know, is the work that you're doing out there, are you speaking about Jesus?
Umuhamagaro uzagira agaciro,
Your calling will have value.
uzangana n'uwo mu rusengero
It will be equal to the one on the
igihe
pulpit
hariya hanze Yesu arimo amenyekana.
when Jesus is being mentioned and proclaimed out there.
Byenda bavuze ngo ntimuzabwire abakiriya mutwaye mu modoka Yesu, sibyo?
Let's say they have warned you to not preach about Jesus to your clients.
Ariko dore uko nakora,
But this is what I would do.
imodoka yanjye indani nashyiramo amaverisi,
I will stick Bible verses in my car because I own
muri
it.
barya bose
Among the clients,
ntiyazabura umukizwa.
you will not lack one who gets saved.
Umugabo yagiye kuvuga ubutumwa,
A man went to preach
akoresha resource nyinshi,
and he invested a lot of resources.
amaze kuzikoresha
After he did so,
mu giterane cyari gikomeye
in a big crusade,
hakizwamo umwana umwe,
one kid got saved
arataha.
and he went home.
Bakoze evaluation bamukoreye baravuga ati ntituzongere ibi rwose kugira ngo hakizwe umuntu umwe nta kigenda.
When they evaluated the conference, the crusade, they only realized only one kid got saved. They said this was not a successful one.
Ku bantu
To Ben's sight,
yari success,
it wasn't
ariko
successful.
ku Mana ari success.
But to God, the crusade was
Ubugingo
successful.
bumwe bufite agaciro.
Because one soul is very valuable.
Fora nawe umenye ibyo ari byo.
Now, imagine yourself.
Guess
Yourself.
what?
Guess what?
Niki cyavuyemo?
What happened after?
Wa muhungu yari Billy Graham.
That young man who got saved at the crusade was the Billy Graham.
Uza abantu Billy Graham yazanye kwa Yesu.
Now, imagine about everybody who came to Christ
Ubundi
because of Billy
mubyukuri
Graham.
ninde wazanye abantu kwa Yesu? Ni Billy Graham cyangwa ni wa wundi?
Wow.
Wow.
So if you-
bombi barasanga imbere y'Imana bafite umugabano.
If you were to look back, was it Billy Graham or the one who preached at the crusade who brought people to Christ? No, it's the one who preached at the crusade and Billy Graham got saved. So before God, they are both equal.
Bari abantu bose bacamo soma kariya kaverse ntiyabura imbuto yinjiramo kandi ibyo azakora ntubizi.
And among the people whom you are giving ride, someone is going to read and be touched. And that's a seed that you are going to be planting in their heart. And you don't know what they are going to do in their life.
Donc nta muhamagaro uruta indi.
So there is no greater calling.
Ari abakorera hanze kuri market.
Other those on the marketplace.
Ikibazo abakristo tuvuga Yesu iyo turi mu rusengero ariko aho dukorera ndi tumuvuga nicyo kibazo.
The problem with us Christians, we only speak Jesus when we are in the sanctuary, in the church, but in the marketplace we do not.
Umuhamagaro bamwe intambara.
A calling is always on the battlefield.
Ariko Imana niyo iturwanirira.
But God always defends us.
Ntugire ikibazo.
Do not be troubled.
Korera Imana.
Just serve God.
Nizakurinda.
He will defend you.
Aho gusa bigorera.
So this is where it comes difficult.
Ni igihe dukora dushaka kugaragara.
It's when we serve because we want to please people. To be praised.
Dushaka ngo abantu batwemere.
We want to be approved and praised.
Turakomereka.
Then we become
Ariko iyo
offended.
dushaka ko Imana iboneka.
But if you're doing for the intentions of God's glory,
Niki itakora.
what can He do?
Babwira ko mu muhamagaro iyo udaciye bugufi ugwamo.
I will say in the calling you must have humility, otherwise you are going to fall in it.
Kuko uburi mu banyamubiri gusa nabo bashaka kuzamuka. Ikigufasha igihe cyose ni uguca bugufi imbere y'abanyamubiri.
Because among the people who works in the flesh who are carnally, you are going to collapse if you do not humble yourself.
Kandi nta muntu ku isi wanga uca bugufi.
And no one in this world who will fight someone who is humble.
Negeze kubabwira igihe kimwe n'imbwa.
I will say I usually share this story at one time. Even a dog, when it comes to bite you, when you are in a compound where a dog comes to bite you, go and lean against the wall, raise your hands and lean on the wall.
ihita ibona ko uciye bugufi imbwa iraza ikaguhunahunaho ikiga ntibikikuriye.
The dog will come around you, but it will not bite you.
Ariko iyo utangiye kwisaza cyangwa ngo wirukira kurya,
But if you resist and start fighting off the dog, it's going to bite
wowe
you.
ushyira amaboko hejuru
You raise your hand
ukegamira igisika.
and lean against the wall.
Nta muntu utubaha n'inyamaswa yubaha umuntu wese uca bugufi. N'intare igiye kukurya ukarambara hasi ukaryama, iraza ikakureba ikagucaho.
Every person, even the beast, even animals, will honor a man of humility.
N'umuntu nuko.
Same thing when it comes to mankind.
Impamvu abantu bavuga ngo barandwanye nawe uravuga.
The reason why people always say, I'm fought, they fight me, it's because you too, you are not simple.
Muzi uko ushobora kubana n'abantu bose neza. Condition y'imwe, humility, guca bugufi. Iyo uciye bugufi, nta muntu n'umwe waguharabika ngo aguhararire akurwanye.
You are able to live successfully and well with other people. Only the condition is humility. Be humble, no one is going to fight against you.